how much do you guys, like, if I'm an agent in a particular market, I'm looking to add online seller lead gen. It's really easy to buy leads from Zillow, buy leads from Tulia, buy a buyer platform, like Boomtown, Market Leader, Tiger. There's a ton of those. But the seller side, it's the frame seems a lot smaller. So tell us, number one, if I want to generate a couple hundred leads per month, on average, what should that cost me? And then tell us a little bit about your system, like what makes it unique, why should, what do your clients really love about it, what do they, hate about it or miss about it, what kind of things do they need to add onto your system to make it the whole process work smoothly? Does that make sense?
Yeah, no, it does make sense. So I think the main thing with prime seller leads is that we're all about choices and options. All the way through the process, the system basically works like this. People see an ad on Facebook or Google AdWords about the value of their home. They click on that. It's going to take them to a customized landing site specific to that agent and that area. At that point, we're going to start having them verify the address and asking them for some of their information. As we garner that information, the agent is notified via text or email. They've got a new lead so that they can get on and start reaching out to them right away. The lead goes into a back end where they can log on and do that. Unless we are working with Wise Agent for them or Top Producer or Boomtown, where we're sending it into that system for them so they can start working it.
Okay, so you have a connection. If somebody's using a CRM, you guys have a back-end connection, and basically the lead will flow directly into that.
Exactly. So one of the choices is, do you want to work your listing lead in our system? I've got a lot of agents that work it in our back end until they get an appointment, and then they push it over into their standard CRM. Many of our clients don't want to learn two systems or don't want to have their team log on to two different systems, and so we get the API from that existing CRM, and we program that, and the leads go directly into the CRM that they're using, but they just show as a prime seller lead in those accounts.
Perfect. Okay, and what does that cost? I mean, what do you guys, and for that kind of system, couple hundred leads a month, like what's the range of cost?
So I can't speak to the other companies. We've got a couple of different levels of service that we offer, so that there's an entry level that starts at about $59 a month, where the agent can get the tools that they need to start generating leads, and they can do it themselves. And with that, you're about $59 a month. Typically, agents are spending $5 to $7 a day on Google AdWords or Facebook initially to generate enough leads to get going. Now, ideally, to really hit the acceleration point on your business and take it to the next level, you're going to want to get to the point where you're having somebody else manage your ads, where they're posting the ads, monitoring the ads, freshening them up, watching for the traffic to maybe trickle down, and realizing that something needs to be done to that ad to change it up and to keep that traffic coming in. Once you get to that level, that really helps you focus in solely on follow-up and conversion, which are the ROI-generating activities that we really want you working on. But not everybody's at that point, and they need to kind of grow. And so we offer it, again, at an entry level. Then we have managed campaigns where we'll manage, we can start for $99 a month. We'll manage one campaign in one zip code for somebody. Again, trying to help them get started, get the leads coming in, get them to start converting so that they can lead with revenue with the product. Beyond that, we have managed unexclusive, or managed and then managed exclusive, where we'll actually lock out a whole area. We'll manage an unlimited number of campaigns across as many different sites or domains as they want set up. So for instance, if you were a Sacramento agent and you needed 5 different landing sites, one for El Dorado Hills, one for Sacramento, one for Roseville, to cover all those areas, we'll actually manage all of those sites and manage your ad campaigns across those. And for a lot of our bigger agents, we're not just managing one campaign, we're doing Facebook and Google. Or we're managing multiple campaigns across multiple websites for them. And it's all priced accordingly. We have some agents that are spending well over $1,000 with us and spending several thousand generating leads. We've got agents that can literally come in and for $300 or $400 a month total, and I say that total, the cost of your leads, the cost of your system, your follow-up, your time, $300 or $400, you could typically get started and get enough leads coming in that within a month or two you're getting appointments and starting to see listings and leading with revenue.